Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell tickets back to Ticketmaster. Now, I went through this situation myself in which I had 2 extra tickets and need to get rid of them fast, especially on the day of the event. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're going to do is that you're going to go into My Account and then click on Upcoming Events. Now, you should see your upcoming event here, so go ahead and click on your event, and then you'll reach an order page that looks like this here. Now, it really depends on the event organizer whether or not you can sell your tickets directly back to Ticketmaster. So what you'll see here are there's 2 options, transfer tickets and sell tickets. If you're early enough and you've bought your tickets directly from Ticketmaster, you will see a prompt that says sell your tickets directly back to Ticketmaster. But if you don't see that prompt, then the only alternative option is that you'll have to sell your tickets to someone else using Ticketmaster. So what you would essentially do is just click on sell tickets. This is the route that I went, and then what I actually did was that I would actually search up my exact section on Ticketmaster. So this is the example. And then I would see what the lowest price was going for, so $387. And then I would actually go ahead and price my tickets based on the lowest price on Ticketmaster. So that's what I did on the day of my event. I've heard of some people being able to sell their tickets directly to Ticketmaster, but you won't be able to do that within 24 hours of the event actually happening. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sell your ticket back to Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.